Want to unlock a useful feature on your Samsung Galaxy phone? In this guide, I'll show you how to enable NFC on our phone in 2026. To enable NFC on your Samsung Galaxy device, so opening the Settings app, scroll down and tap Connections. In the Connections menu, look for NFC and Contactless Payments. Once you find it, tap the option and toggle the switch to the on position. Your phone is now ready to use NFC supported features and services. If you plan to use contactless payments, you may also need to set up a payment app such as Samsung Wallet or another supported digital wallet. Follow the on-screen instructions to add your payment card and complete the setup process. Keep in mind that the exact menu names may vary slightly depending on your Samsung model and software version. Additionally, some older Samsung Galaxy devices or budget models may not include NFC hardware, so the option may not appear in settings. That's all for this tutorial. Enjoy contactless payments and NFC features on your Samsung Galaxy device today.